So this technique we're gonna work on is called Muso-no-Ken. It's also called uraname. You're gonna kind of work off of movement. So you're gonna kind of bait them, you're gonna fake at them, you're gonna do lots of different techniques to get them to move, to open them up and take advantage of that movement. We are using the Shinobigatana. Some people call it the Ninjatō. It's a very popular sword found within the Togakure school of Ninpo Taijutsu. Mr. Dupree, he's going to be having a regular katana, and he's going to be in Shudan. And I'm going to be in like a gate-on position. And from here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to really fake to get him to flinch or to get him to block. The goal is to have him block the sword. So I don't want to get close enough to where he can get me. I want to get to where I'm here and he'll block it away. That's what we want. So let's look at this. So if I'm here, I'm in this, and I like that, he'll block. Now I know these here. So what I want to do, because ninjutsu is really based on evasion, like hit, run, evasion techniques, I'm just going to go right to the midsection with Kiriage up this way, and then it angles my body to where I can take off and then evade. Well, most people are sword fighting, right? It's not a short sword versus a long sword. In this case, we got a ninjatō versus katana. However, when you're working with most sword techniques, Dupree, come in with a ski. What you'll see is, go ahead, I might block and then come right over here. But notice that I'm still face him where I can come back to Kamai and we can fight, we can duel, or maybe go ahead, overhead cut. And I'm gonna parry that off like Ukinagashi. Go ahead. I can push like this and I come around and cut, but notice I'm still here. So a lot of those kind of techniques is what you see in classical Koryu, Kenjutsu, Iaijutsu, that type of thing. When you look at the like Ninjato or Shinobigatana or short sword techniques, especially when we're dealing with ninja training or that type of thing, a lot of time it's always set up to where you can evade. Because remember, in ninjutsu, the goal is to get the information back. That's the most important, is to get the information and then get the information back. The goal is not to sit there and fight and outdo somebody, right? So let's look at this technique one more time. Again, it's called Muso-no-Ken. He's gonna be in Shudan, and I'm gonna be like this in gate. I'm gonna kind of creep here, and then I'm gonna fake, he'll knock it, and that's gonna give me the opening to cut here, and then evade this way.